Since the beginning, the Ultimaker name has been synonymous with quality. And this applies not only to their 3D printers and accessories, but to their line of materials designed to fit any purpose. And now, Ultimaker is partnering with industry-leading filament manufacturers to expand the material offerings baked in to their 3D printing slicer, Cura. Let's break it down. Ultimaker has committed to rigorously testing and engineering their materials for optimum 3D printing performance. From simple yet reliable PLA to flexible TPU and engineering-ready polycarbonate, there is a material available for every need imaginable. Every spool of filament has an NFC chip specifically for Ultimaker 3D printers to read and enable the necessary settings for that material, along with logging the material left on the spool. This feature will make it a lot easier to keep track of filament usage and bring increased usability with the Ultimaker Cloud. For users without an Ultimaker machine, these materials still print exceptionally well and would make an excellent choice for any 2.85mm 3D printer. Of course, there are dozens of 3D printing filaments out there, each with their own unique capabilities and performance. Rather than reinvent the wheel, Ultimaker has partnered with these manufacturers to create the material marketplace. With it, you can install profiles tested for compatibility and peak performance by Ultimaker for these third-party filaments. Additionally, you can find a short description of the material, technical data sheets, and a link to the manufacturer's website. Within Cura, you can find the marketplace in the top right corner where you can pick and choose carefully curated and tested material profiles for the materials you know and love, like Nylon X, Nylon G, or BASF Ultrafuse 316L. That's right. Carbon fiber Nylon X and glass fiber Nylon G are natively supported by Ultimaker for Ultimaker 3D printers. In addition to the Cura team, we here at MatterHackers have verified these profiles ourselves and are very happy with the print quality we've received. If you're looking for 3D printing materials that have been carefully curated and tested, then Ultimaker materials, in addition to the materials available through the Cura Material Marketplace, might be the ideal choice for you. To learn more and to order yours today, go to MatterHackers.com. Hey there, and thanks for checking out our tech breakdown on Ultimaker's 3D printing materials. These materials, as well as others like Nylon X and G from the Cura Materials Marketplace, are all available right now over on MatterHackers.com with fast, free shipping. To stay up to date with all of our digital manufacturing content, click subscribe, and we'll see you next time.